I am Vinil Babu, a health and safety professional with 8 years of experience. And this is my channel where I talk about different health and safety trainings and topics which can help the professionals grow and be better. So for today's topic, I have picked out one very interesting trend which keeps popping up on my LinkedIn timeline every now and then. Is IOSH membership worth it? So this is a question that keeps coming up by health and safety professionals almost every month, maybe as a private message or as a post. So it keeps catching everyone's attention. So the issue here is many people think the professionals who are going for a membership like IOSH or IIRSM are doing it so that they can catch up with the rat race. Every next guy, every next professional is adding something to his name. So these people do not want to be left out, and that is the reason they are taking up these memberships. Other hand, more ignorant people think that this is just a waste of money. Why should I take a membership when I have experience, when I have trainings, when I have certifications? So why should I go for an additional thing for which I have to pay every year, annual renewal of the membership? Why to do all that? So in this video, let me throw some light on the benefits of holding such membership. Alright, so before we go into the topic, let me just talk about few things which we all understand. Number one, let me say the benefits of holding an ISO certification for a company. Let us start there as an example. So we know this, if a company has a very good system, let it be for quality, environment or health and safety management, they plan to go for an ISO certification. And to do that, they need people who can follow up this documentation. They will have to undergo audits for which they have to pay a hefty amount to the auditors. And this will be an annual process. It is going to take a lot of time, effort and money. Still, the companies want to go for it. So if you ask me what is the benefit, what will they get out of this? You can notice that most of the websites, most of the hoardings or even business cards will be highlighting this: we are an ISO certified company. So how does that help? It turns into business. So once you have ISO certification, more and more companies or more and more people want to tie up with you. They want to do business with you because they understand you are maintaining the standards which are required for an international certification. I hope you got that. Now, similarly, let me tell about a contractor selection process, or we call it tendering. So when there is a tender put out for a project, there are hundreds of contractors bidding for it. So in that time, if any one contractor is having an international membership, that works as an added advantage for that particular contractor. So when compared to the other people, he has something which is special. He has a license, or he is having some evidence which clearly shows that he is doing good. So now with that idea, let us move on to our topic. So the way ISO certification helps a company, the way any international membership of a trade union helps a contractor, same way holding an international membership like IOSH or IIRSM helps a health and safety professional. So I will highlight at least 5 benefits of holding a membership like IOSH. So let us start. Number one is definitely it enhances career prospect. Yes. Most of the things that we do, of course, we are doing to earn a living, make a living. So when I go for a membership like IOSH, I am looking for better employability. I'm not paying annual premium just like that. I want some benefit out of it. So let me tell you my own experience as a trainer in the field since last 8 years. I have taken grad IOSH membership, graduate member of IOSH membership 5 years back. So since 5 years, I'm a grad IOSH member. So how has this helped me? This opened doors of many learning partners or course providers to which I could apply. There are times where, looking at my LinkedIn profile, course providers or HR or managers have contacted me from the other side saying that would you like to work with us as a freelance trainer or associate tutor? That is because in front of my name, I have this designatory letters, Grad Ayush. And that is something they ask me. Every course provider want to know my Grad Ayush membership number. Then only my employability goes further. So in the past 5 years with Grad Ayush membership, I have worked with more than 5 course providers and I have delivered a lot of trainings which would not have been possible if I did not hold this membership. So it worked out for me. Okay. So similarly, I have seen from my experience as a trainer, my colleagues and my students who wanted to get a promotion or an increment in any construction project they are working in the Gulf countries, they have told me, sir, if I have a membership, the company has told they will raise my position, they will put me as a senior, they will give me increment. So I have guided them how to go into that membership and get better benefit, better salary, better standard of living. So it works like that. Similarly, the requirements for European countries, now if you look up anywhere, let it be LinkedIn or Indeed, Monster, anywhere you type, search for the job requirements of a health and safety professional in the UK. You will notice that in the requirement category, they simply write the membership level which they want. For example, they say CM IOSH required or Grad IOSH required. So what does this mean? The companies believe that when a person is holding a membership of such bodies, he is competent enough. He has the training, skills, experience required to hold this title. It is like a license that works out for them. Fine, so that is the first part. Please remember, enhances career prospect. So I can say this one point itself is good enough for you to go for a membership like this. Now let me give 4 more points to you. So let us go with point number 2, which says maximizes your potential. So maximizes your potential. Now older days, if you have seen a person who has taken a graduation, a degree, he lives with that one certificate for his entire life. He works and earns his living out of that. But today it is not like that. None of us can stay stagnant. We cannot settle down with one certificate. So we have to keep growing, we have to keep learning, we have to keep, pushing our boundaries further. So there is something called CPD. Let me just put it up here. CPD. Continuing Professional Development. So this is how it maximizes your potential. The bodies like IOSH, they want you to maintain something called a CPD, in which you have to keep updating. What are you doing in your career? How are you growing? Are you taking up a new training program? Or are you attending a seminar? Are you attending an exhibition? Are you reading a journal? I hope you get the idea. So that way you will never be stagnant. You are a dynamic person. You keep growing. Helps you. Third point, let us say, keeps you up to date. Keeps you up to date. Again, in a world where things are so fast changing, every new day you see a new technology come out, a new way of engineering controls come out, new legislations come out. So in order to keep up to date with this, if you are just depending on the internet, if you think I will just search and find out things, it will be difficult. So if you are a member of IOSH, what they do is they send you something called IOSH magazine. They keep you up to date. They tell you what is happening in the industry. They tell you of case studies. They tell you of the fines that companies have got. They tell you of any new additions in the field, in the legislation. So that way you stay up to date. You are always knowledgeable. You know what's happening in the world. Next, let us say, builds your network. Builds your network. So we all are there in a professional body like LinkedIn. The sole purpose is, of course, not to find a job. We are trying to grow our network. We are trying to connect with more people. So this is one of the reasons. So similarly with the IOSH platform, you have branches, you have branch meetings. I have been a part of UAE branch. I have attended few branch meetings when I was in the UAE. And it is a, what can I say, exciting experience. You meet a lot of people, you meet managers from different fields. You meet people from the catering industry, you meet people from manufacturing industry, oil and gas, shutdown projects, so many people. So you learn from them, you connect from them, and you can grow with them. That's a very good benefit. Last one, provides you with expert advice. Provides you expert advice or support, I can say. Here, as an IOSH member, you have the benefit of connecting to all the members who are all around. You have something called IOSH members directory. So you log in there, you can search for people just with their names or designations. You can find them, you can call them up. Their mail IDs or phone numbers are available. Talk to them. And even the body IOSH, you can contact them directly, ask for guidance. IOSH comes up with lots of training programs. For example, there is something called IOSH Train the Trainer course. So anybody who want to grow into the training field, they can take that up. So these are the benefits which are solid and real from taking a membership like this. So I hope it is clear now that the person who is going for this is not simply wasting his money or following a rat race. It's not craze. It is with some solid revenue returns. Fine, but I know this, that we all are different people, and what looks good to me may not look good to you. It's just like if I enjoy action movies and I suggest to you, go watch this action movie. You may go watch it and you may find it boring, or you may sleep off if you are not an action movie person. So similarly, if you feel that this is something that may not work for you, you can always ignore it and be happy with the certifications that you have got. But if you have a plan to grow into the international scale, go out of your country and be better, then this is something that you should definitely try out. It will not go waste. So all the best, take care, and if you want to connect with me, I'll put my LinkedIn profile on my description, and of course you can drop in the comments and we can interact. And if you are watching me for the very first time, please do subscribe and keep the bell icon pressed so that you know when my next video drops. Similarly, you can watch other videos which I have made before and refresh your knowledge.